How to turn off night mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. It allows users to take photos, videos, live photos, portraits, panoramas, and more, with options to adjust settings like flash, night mode, and zoom. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top and tap on the arrow button in the middle. Here, tap on the moon icon below to activate night mode. Locate the slider above the shutter button to adjust it to your desired exposure time. Swipe right on the slider till you turn it off. You have now turned off night mode. Then, tap on the shutter button to take a photo in night mode. Following these steps, you can easily turn off night mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.